Sitting outside enjoying our coffee, watching the stray cats. That one over there had just finished eating, and then this one went to eat. Look, he's staring at the door. He thinks he's gonna go in. There he goes. He must have not wanted to be on video. We were watching the sky a while ago, and it was probably, what would you guess, about 20 buzzards up there?
Buzzards.
Circling. Yeah, there's one of them coming back. They're still pretty high, though, so whatever it is ain't ready for them yet.
That's a hawk.
Oh, yeah, that is a hawk. Look, see, y'all can see that hawk.
Probably can't see that far, but that's a hawk. Chicken hawk. Looking for a chicken.
Right there.
Yep, there he is. He's coming down lower.
It's just a blur in here, but it's picking up him as a dot. The chickens are not out right now because we just fed the dogs for the night. And where'd Vernon go?
Took off out the gate.
I rearranged in there a little bit earlier. I did some work in there. Tomorrow I'll do a video. I'll be cutting a pumpkin in half and giving them a pumpkin to eat. My sister for the cup. I must have forgot to turn it back. We're in our rocking chairs since we're old people sitting outside rocking, drinking our coffee and our toboggans and our jackets. It's 41 degrees this morning.
Grandpa and Grandma.
And
look, a UFO.
that's an airplane.
It's a UFO.
Let's see if you can see Kodiak chewing on the stick. A big, huge, humongous stick. He's trying to break that piece off. Now he's picking up his toy. That toy is a gorilla. He's chewing on the gorilla. He's got his back to us now. Can't see his head. Wind is picking up. There's
Getting cool out here tonight.
a couple buzzards up there now. I don't know where the other 18 of them went. I'll have to zoom in.
Can you see?
There it is. Gotta find him in here.
There's two of them right there playing.
Oh,
See the
there's
tree
other
limbs?
one. Let me make this smaller. Maybe we can find him.
He's right there on that limb. I see him playing his day.
I know, honey. I see him too, but I can't
The other one's
find
right
him
above
in
you.
the camera. Can y'all see them two squirrels playing? I'm still looking for them in the camera. Right. Oh, where's my finger? Right in there. You didn't see him anymore?
Yeah, I see him.
Oh, they're over there.
I bet I could shoot one right here. That's some squirrel meat gravy.
Okay, I see him now in here. Y'all see the two squirrels yet? You can see the leaves moving around where they're playing. I lost him. Do you see him?
Yep. He's sitting on that tree limb looking right at us.
I lost him. I guess I'll name this video Hunt for the Squirrels. I don't even see him. I lost him.
I just see one now.
I don't see none of them.
There he is. See him jump down on that limb?
Oh yeah, right above the canopy.
There he is. See him? What's he eating? He's eating something. Oh, they're just eating leaves. Must be some good tasting leaves. Well, they're fast as lightning.
I know it. Oh, I see the other one over here. Right in that opening.
I guess they eat leaves, huh?
One is over there, and the other one is over there.
I didn't know squirrels ate leaves.
They probably got nuts over there.
Wind quit blowing.
Chickens here is talking, so they're in front of the chicken coop door. Squirrels, chickens, dogs, cats.